In this video, we will be showing you how to do your weekly maintenance cleaning. For this procedure, you will need to have a rag, 7 to 8 cleaning swabs, and your cleaning fluid. On the LEJ-640FT, we have a maintenance button. Select this and hit enter. It'll now prompt you to open the maintenance cover. Now press enter. Now the carriage will move to the far left position for you to examine for dust, dirt, or ink buildup. You'll want to make sure that there's no dust and that the heads are free from ink buildup and dirt. Gently clean around the head, being careful not to actually touch the head. Once you're satisfied that your heads are clean and free from dust and ink buildup, it's a good idea to now check your UV lights to make sure that there's no overspray and that they are clean so that they can properly cure your UV prints. Once you're comfortable that all ink has been removed from your print heads and your carriage, it's now time to clean the right side of the machine, which is your capping stations, your wiper blades, and any other overspray or debris that's gathered. It's very important to make sure that you have a clean and ink buildup free capping station. To clean, simply dip your swab in your cleaning fluid, rub gently around the capping station as not to damage anything, and make sure that all ink and any buildup has been removed. Follow this procedure for all 6 capping stations. It's also important that you remove any buildup from your wiper blades. To clean these, simply do the same procedure. Cleaning fluid on a swab, wipe gently, and you're ready to go. It's recommended to replace the wiper blades every 6 months to a year, or if they have occurred any damage.